Today we are looking at a brand new Sudenga Industries M500 mixer. This unit is brand new from the factory. Here's a look at the data tag. This particular unit is set up with a single phase motor, as you can see. Here's a look at the motor data tag as well. You can pause the video now. As I said, this unit is brand new. The unit is equipped with the shipping channels for ease of movement. Here is a look inside the mixing chamber. As you can see, the unit has never ran product. This is a very, very nice unit, ready to go to work. The unit has a fully closable top with dump grate for safety. The unit can also have a port put in anywhere you would desire on this side of the mixer. This is a very, very nice unit. These units are available through us here at Commodity Traders International. This unit is equipped with a 10x10 manual rack and pinion gate, and the crank for the gate is stored right here. Goes right here onto this shaft, then the gate would crank open. This unit is a bottom discharge. Sudenga makes a very heavy-duty and robust machine. These units are available all the way up to 3-ton capacity. This particular unit is a 1 cubic yard or 500-pound capacity. These units are readily available through us here at Commodity Traders International. Please reach out to us. We would love to give you a quote on these machines. For all other seed, grain, and feed recycling industrial equipment needs, please see our website. A link will be in the video description down below and following the video. And thank you for watching.